Hey everybody, what's up? Today we're going to be making potatoes. Right, so first you want to grab yourself a red potato. Mine's a bit old, but you should probably get some new ones, right? And here I am. Yeah, so you take the potato, don't let it fall off the plate, because that's not healthy, right? Take it over to your counter near your sink. Turn your sink on. Wash your PATADO, right? Take it, get your paper towels, right? And you want to dry it off. Okay. Then you take that paper towel, throw it away, or you could eat it. And then you take this, take your microwave, you take your plate, in my microwave it's like 5 minutes, so put your PATADO in there, right? And you want to set your thing to 1 minute. If you have that, you want to have it in there for 55 seconds. It works best at 55 seconds. There you can see the potato. So that's right. So you just gotta wait for that. I'll be back when it's at 5 seconds. Oh Jesus. Yeah, that's okay. Let that. That is done. Shut your mouth. So, what we do is we take the plate with the potato. Hope that the potato doesn't fall because you don't want to touch it since it's hot. And be very careful bringing it. Okay. So you brought it there. And now, okay. You could get a paper towel. So you can hold it. Without completely burning yourself, right? And so you bring this over to your table before you actually burn a hole in your hand. Now put that paper towel down right there. Now you want to get your salt and pepper and your butter out. Make sure it's real butter. It's best, right? And then. Oh boy, this is going to be the most difficult part. I'm going to use the butter to prop it up. Right, so. Yeah, good shot now. Okay. Right, so you see me. You see this potato? Now. Oh. Right. So, you see the potato, right? No, you don't. Of course not. Okay. I don't know how I'm going to do this. But basically what you do... okay. This is going to be a crap video. You cut it in half, right? Oh, boy. And then, I didn't do this earlier when I made it first. I'm making another one because I'm hungry. You put it on the flat side, okay? I didn't think to do that. I was trying to cut it on the round side. But now, you just want to cut these into fourths, cut in half, and cut each of the halves into halves. And then, cut each of the halves into half again. So that way you're going to have, oh boy, yeah, you get the idea. Then you have, then you'll end up having 8 pieces of potato. so we got 8 pieces of potato. You want to get your fork out of the way. You want to have them all flipped up so that this shows. You want to see the white part, that, right? I haven't tried this with any other potato, just a red potato, and I made this just today, so, you know, yeah. Right, so you have all your slices of potato. I don't know if you saw the cutting process, but there's your potato. Right, and now you want to get your butter. And you want to butter your potatoes on each side. Right, so I hope you can see the potatoes. I'm gonna put fork here to stop that. Yeah, you can see the potatoes. Right, and then you take your butter and you just butter your potatoes just like that. You don't want too much on there. But, yeah. Oh, and the heat of the potatoes melts the butter, so that way you can use it to do stuff. And so the other stuff later will stay on the PATADO because liquid, and yeah. If you don't remember which ones you buttered and which ones you didn't, that's okay. Oh boy. If you get any butter on the plate, that's alright. That's just more dipping sauce, you know? Yeah. And so you have this, right? Well, wipe off your knife because you're a civilized human being. And then you throw this away. Put that back over there on your napkin. Then take your salt. You probably want to like get these all in a thing. Right. And then you just put on your salt. I usually put on more salt than pepper, but that's your choice. And then you take your pepper. Yeah. Boom. You got some good potatoes. And so once you're done with those, you can you can enjoy them. And it's probably good for you. I'm not really sure. Well, as far as I know, potatoes are good for you. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye.